Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. It is Saturday the 7th of September and the day has arrived, guys. We are going to the snow. Yes! Hui! Paris! Yay! Guys, she doesn't care. But we're supposed to go to the snow last week, but Paris was not very well, so we decided to just postpone it and then just go this weekend because she's feeling better. But yeah guys, it is raining. I just looked up before. It's raining, guys. OMG. And also, have a look, guys. Our balikbayan box is leaving today because someone's picking it up today, guys, and we're not home, so we're just leaving it. Oh, sorry about the lighting. So we're just leaving it out there, and then yeah, they're just gonna pick it up while we're out. Yeah, excuse me for my voice, guys. I still have the cold, which I'm not enjoying, but oh well. So yeah guys, we are going, and also we plan to leave at 7 o'clock, guys, and guess what, it's already 9 o'clock and we're still at home. Surprise, surprise. But yeah, we are leaving soon. Dada just went out to buy coffee for everyone, so we're just gonna go pick him up from the cafe. And yeah, so we're all ready to go. Hi sweetheart, are you ready to go to snow? Oh, it's okay, don't cry. Don't cry. Love you. See you guys. It's my first time going to Mount Bula. Don't cry, sweetheart. Okay, Mama. Come to mommy. So it's yeah, our first time to go to Mount Bula. I've seen snow before, but yeah. What's that? But I really wanted to go, guys, for the whole family to experience it. So guys, as we got in the car, the van to pick up our balikbayan box is here, guys. Yay! Yay! Bye box. See you. Hi again, guys. We're in the car. So as what I was saying before, I want for the whole family to experience this together, guys, because obviously Mimi is here on holiday and she'll be, ooh, sorry for that noise, it's the weather. It's actually raining outside, guys. Yeah, so Mimi is here on holiday and I want her to experience snow, guys. And also one thing is that I've been in Australia for 9 years now and I've never been to Mount Bula. I have planned so many times to go with, you know, my friends and that, but we never really had a chance to go. I mean, I never really had a chance to go. Oh, busy lang peg, guys. Kon ba ya sikat? But yeah, it's been really busy, you know, past 8 years. So yeah, now is the chance. That's why we're going. And also, guys, mind you, it's 4 long hours drive. So it's in total it's 8 hours back and forth. So yeah, it's not not easy, guys, because you know, driving for that long, it's not fun. But yeah, we wanted to do this, so that's why we're doing this. And we're going to take you with us, so at least you know you can also see the snow, you know, if you're in the Philippines or wherever you are in the world. Yeah, are you all guys ready? Ready? No, wala tao guys eh.
Ready, set, go.
Yeah, we're just gonna go pick up daddy from the cafe, guys, and then we're gonna go straight to Mount Bula. We're coming.
Here we go.
So guys, we made it to, I think it's Strath Creek. So we just stopped over, guys, for a quick toilet break. So that's the public toilet, guys. Mimi and Dada went, and yeah, as you can see, it's just trees, and you can just hear birds singing. So yeah, oh, I think we still have two more hours to go, I believe. We'll see you guys when you get there. No internet? Shit. No. Do you have cash?
Pila day.
60. Do you have enough? 300 man tong kuan.
Yes.
Do you have
Ano?
60? No, ikas ay mo ra maka.
nag-snow. Snow na dyan siya. Snow na dyan siya tanan. Guys, we're finally here. OMG. We're just putting our clothes on, guys. Dada's doing it fast. And Mimi, have a look. And Tara's still sleeping, so she'll be surprised. Have a look at that one, guys. Nothing. Can I go out? Can I go out? Oh my god. Oh my god. So guys, we're getting ready in the car. Paris is putting her gear on. Yay!
Dada.
Yeah, Dada.
Yes. We'll put this on so you
And
can
Dada is ready now, guys. Have a look.
Dada.
Magawas na si Paris ni. Daddy, Paris is not ready.
Huh?
Paris is not ready. Shh. Y'all good? We made it. Hey, Paris! Snow!
Look.
Tita! Hi! What can you say? What can you say about your first snow? Thank you. Aww. Guys, so we're going. We actually have this too, so we can use it for playing. But guys, here's our outfit. So guys, we just hired our gears because we're only gonna do it once, guys. So we don't really want to spend too much, buying snow gears. So that's why we rented it. And for 4 outfits for Dada, Paris, Mimi, and myself, we paid $130, guys. It's time to bring it down. Look at the eyes. What are you doing?
Who's that? Yay!
Good job, honey.
Leave that on. Oi!
Natutubangan na yung papa ko.
Daddy na. Daddy na.
Ay, pare sabi.
now.
Okay, Claire.
It's very thick. The gear. Do you want to sit here now?
Claire, I have an idea. Yes, you might want to move.
Rudolph the red-nosed
Yeah. Yeah, you might.
Ikaw ba?
Put your hand in the sun, I feel it.
Come here. Palayo. Tita nak. Yay! Mega may tuting oh. Walking sa snow. Hi!
Paris. Oi! Oi! You okay, Baba? Did you have to snow your face? Watch out, love.
Get mo kaya girl. Tita. So after this, guys, we're gonna go home because it's getting late now. Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Wala tadi hands. So there's Paris and Dada there, guys. And Mimi and I just gonna go slide. Oh my god. Okay, go. Go. Oh, request granted na daw dong. Guys, it's raining again, guys. I mean, it's snowing again. So, we're just gonna slide there. And then after this, we're gonna head home. What an experience, guys. Love it. Hi! Mac, tell me, how's your experience? Speechless. I know, it's her first time, guys. And yeah, I'm so happy that I took her here. So very matching kami sa mong kan, guys, color. Come on, let's go down. So it's snowing again, guys. Bye, snow. We gotta go. Can you see the snow? Say hi, Mom. Hey? Look at this ice. So, hi guys, that's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And we're gonna head home.
How I enjoyed it.
Yeah, do you enjoy?
Super.
Ooh, have a look, guys, it's raining. It's snowing. Yeah, so I hope to see you guys in the next one. Say, Paris first. Come on, let's go. So we're walking back to the car now, guys. Yeah, so don't forget to be good. And if you can, be careful. Bye.